observed how the beeping sound is coming out from the filter. This is due to the UV light malfunction. So I'm trying to disconnect the cable in order to avoid shock, and I'll try to replace the UV light from the filter. This UV light is present inside the small box here. So this is a box which is having UV light. In order to remove the UV light, you need to unscrew the box. So you have to unscrew bottom and the top. You look at here, I have unscrewed the top of the box. Now I'm trying to unscrew the bottom. I'm trying to remove the UV light from the box. You can observe how the UV light got damaged over the time. We need to replace this UV light with the new one, and have purchased the UV light in the online. We need to purchase OSRAM band which is having 4 watts. The last step is you need to connect back this connector so that you will get display on the filter box.